In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 6 boxes in Microsoft Word in just about 5 minutes. So whether you're looking to organize your content better, or you're working on a project that requires a neat layout of boxes, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through this process step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to create, customize, and resize boxes in Word with ease. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to get Microsoft Word up and running on your computer. Start by locating the Windows Start menu. You'll usually find this at the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows icon. A single click on it will unveil a search bar. This is where you're going to type in Word. As you start typing, you'll see the Microsoft Word application pop up as a search result. It's likely going to be the first option, but if you have multiple Office-related applications installed, just look for the icon that specifically says Microsoft Word. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Microsoft Word to open it. If it's your first time opening Word after starting up your computer, or if you don't have a document that automatically opens on launch, you'll be greeted with the word Home. Here you have the option to click on a blank document to start fresh or open any recent document you might want to add tables to. Selecting a blank document will give you a clean slate, which is perfect for following along with this tutorial. With your document open, we're going to move on to adding our boxes, which in the Microsoft Word universe are best created using the table function. Look towards the top of your Word window for the toolbar. You're going to want to click on the Insert tab. This tab houses many of Word's document enhancing features, including the one we're interested in for today's lesson. Now, within the Insert tab, you'll see a variety of options. But for our current purpose, we'll focus on the Table button. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu with several ways to insert a table into your document. For today's goal of creating 6 boxes, we're going to select a 3x2 table. This will instantly insert a table with 3 columns and 2 rows into your document, effectively giving you 6 boxes to work with. It's a quick and efficient way to create a structured layout in your document. However, our job isn't quite done yet. After inserting your table, you may notice the boxes are not the exact size you want. No worries, resizing is straightforward. Hover over the sides or corners of your table until your cursor changes to a double-sided arrow. This indicates you can click and drag to resize your table, and therefore your boxes, to your preferred dimensions. You can make them taller, wider, or adjust their overall size to fit your content needs. When resizing, consider the content you plan to put inside each box. This will help you determine the best size and shape for each of them. Also, remember that the layout of your content can significantly impact its readability and overall look, so feel free to play around with the sizes until you're content with the layout. And just like that, you've mastered the art of making 6 boxes in Microsoft Word. This simple yet effective technique can be utilized for numerous projects, from creating flyers and invitations to organizing notes or data in a visually appealing manner. The beauty of using tables in Word is the flexibility it offers in terms of customization. You can adjust borders, fill colors, and even split or merge cells to further customize your boxes as needed. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to explore further table functionalities within Word to refine your skills. And most importantly, have fun with it. With each project, you'll discover more creative ways to use these boxes to enhance your documents. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with what you've learned today to take your Word documents to the next level. Happy creating!